Di Amerikayanu yau nim kal bandi kram. Warta Amerikayanu nim kal bandi kulu. Kucinaku.
Americans too arrested him.
Oh, very bad? In jail?
Yeah.
Horrible.
Mega cakap tarsnak buja.
Tarsnak na dilawari Amerikayan mu dasi wala zindan.
Zindan cakap tarjoy.
Da tarsnak marsnak na da zindan cide akida di kawiki.
He isn't afraid of jail.
Whoa.
Akida iman kawiki. Da cide pinza kala bani sawai di mawin da kiti upatiyar amarat.
He was in the jail for 5 years.
5 years?
Azma plar cide. Aga pa Bagram ki bandi police ki kim bandi Bagram kim.
His father was in prison in Bagram in Kabul.
In Bagram?
Yeah.
The worst place?
Yeah.
Bagram.
Permop tu na da khwada de nizam permop na da ragala da wini dar badar suvi.
He's showing you the injury.
Injury.
Wo.
You're very courageous. Congratulations.
Mega bicho jurat dari.
Congratulations. You're fighting for your country.
Bas
It's good.
tam ci musulman si indiwala bas da si jurat paida kaya. Iman ci di kubisi, iman jazba dar pushkirashi bar Palestine tablarsa. Da yiwa ka.
He says if you are Muslim, then you will have the courage.
Wata ci mata da was mana kar jus Palestine ta zamzan pidai kawam.
Says he has the courage to go to Palestine and work for the
It's very good.
Allah Pak dear Luisa Tifosi.
Allah is more important than the Zionist regime.
Yeah.
This is